Hi, I'm Nancy Kowalik. This is with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty in Mullica Hill. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill in 30 days, day 19. And I am at the Amish Farmers Market. Now we all wait for the weekend when the farmers market's open. There's so much good here, and Mervin's going to tell us a little bit about what we might find. I'm at the produce stand. I'm here all the time buying everything I can. It's nice and fresh. I know the meat department is here. Tell me a little bit about what else is here.
Oh, we got donuts. That's always a big attraction.
Oh my goodness, you can smell that as soon as you hit the door.
Turkeys for holiday, ham for Christmas, all your candy, and of course produce, fruit platters, veggie platters, like you see behind me here.
Right.
And a lot of good stuff.
A lot of good. There's even seafood down here now.
Yeah,
Which surprised me, right?
Really good. I haven't had a bad thing from them yet.
Me neither. I mean, it's fabulous, and it's really good to come in and get a quick bite. And then you've got some people that help do handmade soap, and I mean, just there's so much about this that's good and wholesome. And again, wait for it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right?
Correct. For the holiday week, we'll be open Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Right. And on Saturday, it closes at 4, so you don't want to miss it. But thank you very much for just popping out and saying hello, Mervin. I appreciate that very much. Again, I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill in 30 days. Day 19, the Amish Farmers Market. Do not miss it. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
Go make it a great day.